Hi, Henry here. Welcome back to Too Much Tech for a new video tutorial. If you're stuck with a blacklisted IMEI and unable to connect your device to any network, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll guide you through the best ways to unblock or remove a blacklisted IMEI from your device. These methods work for both iOS and Android devices, no matter the brand or carrier. I understand how frustrating it is to try various services that promise to fix the issue, only to see no results. You're not alone. I've wasted money on solutions that didn't work too. But what if I told you there's a more reliable option? A method that's quicker, safer, and most importantly, completely free. That's right. This method is not only free, but also thoroughly tested and proven to consistently remove blacklisted IMEIs, whether on iPhones or Android phones. It has worked perfectly every time I've used it. So stay with me until the end of the video and I'll show you this amazing solution. Ready to unblock your device? Let's dive in. Before we start, this tutorial is only to those who have their own device but need help due to the fact that they have forgotten their login details. We are not tolerating illegal things that unlock stolen devices. Let's stick to lawful actions and respect the rights of everyone. Our videos are all complying with YouTube's terms and condition. Did you understand? Let's go. Before starting, make sure your device is fully charged to avoid interruptions. You'll also need another device with a browser and internet access to perform the process. Grab another device with the internet access and open a browser and go to this website called unlockgeek.com. On the website, you'll find multiple unlocking tools. Select IMEI Blacklist by clicking the Access Here button because that is the one that we need. On the next page, you'll need to provide the IMEI number of the blacklisted device. Tip: if you're not sure how to find the IMEI number, click the Android tutorial button for guidance or iOS tutorial if you want to unblock an iOS devices. Once you've located the IMEI, enter it in the provided field. You have to make sure that the IMEI is correct to avoid issues during the process. Choose the device type that matches your phone. Mine is iPhone, so I will choose iOS device. And finally, click the Unlock button to begin. The system will process your request right after you click the button, which may take a few minutes. After the process is complete, restart the device, check if the network is restored and if the blacklist issue has been resolved. If the IMEI unlock is successful, your phone should now be able to connect to networks without restrictions. Congratulations! You've successfully removed the blacklisted IMEI and unblocked your device. Was the method unsuccessful for you? We have a backup solution. We're offering 300 free unlocks every week to our subscribers. Want to join in? Here's what you need to do. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, leave a comment with your device model. In your comment, don't forget to include your device model, IMEI, and country. Once you complete all steps, your entry will be added to our weekly free unlock giveaway. Ensure the details are correct to avoid any issues. Best of luck. Thank you for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like it and smash that subscribe button for more tutorials and guides. Tap the notification bell to stay updated on all my new uploads. Any questions? Leave a comment in the comments below. I'm always reading your comments. Browse through my other tutorials too, and I'll catch you in the next one. Keep learning.